Everyone, Paul here. Today I'm going to be going over a current strategy I have with Bitcoin, and it's kind of going over the trend line method that I talked about in the last couple videos. I'm going to kind of go over what I've learned about trend lines and why I'm going to be staying in this trade, and why if you follow trend lines, it will actually, if you do this on a longer time frame, if you start your trade, I'm going to do this on the 4-hour, but if you start your trades on a longer time frame, it can lead into some pretty good results. But, I'm going to show you the trade that I'm doing and what I'm expecting of this trade. It's with Bitcoin. I'll show you where I'm at right now, currently, with the trade. And, I'll show you where I enter and where I, kind of expect it to go. And, where I plan to exit the trade. So today's just going to be a look at one of my trades based off of the trend line method that I taught in a couple videos ago. Okay, so if we look at Bitcoin right now, we'll notice, if we zoom out real quick, we're looking at this on the 4-hour. So the first trend line that I drew was this one down here. When I saw this, and I saw the touch points with these candles right here, and I noticed there was a trend line. So all I did is get my ray tool right here, and I started right here, and then I drew it out. I drew it out till, well, the end of time, really, right there. So that was the first trend line right there. And this was the first one that I drew, and basically, as later on, I started to see more, another trend line as well. I noticed a touch point right here as well. Other than here, I also noticed a touch point right here and another touch point. So this is where this one came from. So I came in a little late with the trade. I came in at this point right here. So even though I came in late, I could have came in way down here, and I could have been in some good profit. But what we could see from these trend lines is the candles are respecting really well, and we could see that it's going up. So there is some support right about, well, it's past that one right there, but there's some support right here that it has to get past. So if it gets past this area right here, it'll keep going up. So where I am in the trade is basically if it still respects both of these trend lines, I should be pretty good. And I can get out of the trade. Now, if you notice, if it does follow this trend line here, even if it comes down to one of here, to this trend line, it'll be coming down to it's still going to be a higher low. Well, it'll be a higher low from where this is right here. If it continues to go up, it will still be a higher point than where it was right here. So basically what we can see is this is ascending upwards. So we look here at my stop loss, and I'm going to put in 0.014 right here. So we could tell that the price would have to go down. The price of Bitcoin would have to go down to 84,000. Price would have to go down to 84,000 for me to lose all of my trade here. It would have to go down to 84,000 basically. So that's way down. That's way down here. That is just not going to happen. Not yet anyway. So I can ride this out for as long as I want because, basically 84,000 is liquidation for me. But anyway, that's the trade I'm currently working on. I am going to be riding this out and see where it takes me. Now, if you guys are following me, I'll probably be posting my results for this trade. I will post my results in my Discord. So if you guys haven't joined my Discord, make sure to join my Discord. It's for free. And you guys just get some free value from me. I go over signals I post my profit and loss. I give out signals to crypto, stock market, gold, gold and other metals, platinum. I also do that whenever I see it, Forex and the US 30. So whenever I have time and I think the signal is worth mention, I will post that in my group, as well as you guys can learn my top strategies and you guys can discuss with me on a regular basis. So it's a group that I'm trying to build for this year. I think I'll be going over more of my trades this year in videos, basically the longer trades I might make videos for, the trades that are going to be taking a little bit longer. I might mention them in videos and the kind of the strategy and the mindset of what I'm doing. I've gone over a lot of strategies on this channel, and I kind of want to go over everything that I covered on this channel and kind of, go back to the strategies that I first talked about and see if they're still good. I've made strategy videos for 2 years, so it's just time for me to kind of thin everything out and kind of show you the right ones, the ones that work really well and the ones that don't. Because when I first started this 2 years ago, I was basically just making videos as I was learning. So now it's just kind of me kind of narrowing it down and showing you guys the best of the best of what I've covered on this channel. So that's what I'll be trying to do so far. But anyway, if you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in future videos.